Welcome English 101 students. This is your professor Michael Bloomingberg, and this video is designed to make sure you understand what you need to do coursework wise for week 4 of the semester. So as always, I'm on Blackboard, which is always of course a starting point. I'm going to go over to course content. And from course content, I'm going to go ahead and click on the week 4 folder. So the place to always begin is with the assignment sheet. That just gives you the listing of the things that you need to complete for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. It's presented as both a Word document and a PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and click to pull it up as a Word document. Okay. So as you can see, there's no new readings or discussion board assignments this week. If you have questions as you're working on the draft plan, you can always email me or post in the discussion forum for the Ask Mr. Bloomingberg forum, and I do check that as often as I can. So either way you want to try to catch me, if you have questions, feel free to do so. But what you're working on this week, and I've been getting some emails about where to submit the draft plan. Well, if you have a draft plan done, congratulations, you're just working a little bit ahead of schedule. But the draft plan itself is not actually due until this week, and in particular at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, February 5th. So please note, and I want to highlight this here, if I can. Well, yeah, I want to note to you that that is only the draft plan. It's not the actual summary itself, but it's only the draft plan. Now that being said, you can always start this week on the actual summary paper, but it's only the draft plan that's due this week. So if you already have it done, you might just go ahead and start on the paper itself if you've not done so. And so now that we have a listing and an understanding of what you need to do there, I'm going to go back just a little bit to, again, the week 4 folder and the summary draft plan. This is the exact same draft plan that was in the week 3 folder. It's nothing new. I've just included it here in this week's folder as well. Theory being that you don't have to backtrack to last week to get it. What I would recommend you do is this. I would recommend you pull it up as a Word document. I did put the PDF file, but that's just in case any student has trouble getting the Word document. You're going to want to enable your editing, and at the top just put, and you can delete lines as necessary if you need to, but you would just type your name, as I'm going to do here, and then just delete your lines as necessary. And same thing here when you're typing. You might say Klein's argument is, and then blah, blah, blah. Just delete your lines as you need to. Now in the actual boxes, you can actually type your info into the box, and that should make it pretty clear to me. And then of course you just need to save it when you get all of that work done. So just work through those questions, and if you have any problems, just let me know. And so that's what you're doing there. I'm going to go back to the week 4 folder. And here's the key thing, and we haven't taken any time to go over this yet, but when you have it finished and you're ready to submit it, you're going to go down to the last tab in the folder, which is Summary Draft Plan Submissions. So just click it. And again, it'll just remind you of the directions that you have there. But the best thing to do is, and the only option here, is to hit Browse My Computer under Attached File. Browse My Computer, and you'll click it, and then from there you'll just find your file if you saved it on a flash drive or your desktop, whatever you saved it on, and open it. And then from there, down at the bottom, hit Submit. Now the comment box is just if there's something about the assignment you want me to know, you can leave a little comment, but it's not actually for your work. You need to hit Browse My Computer to attach it. And then hit Submit. And that's all the required work for the week. Now again, I think it would be a good idea to go ahead and start on the draft. And we're going to go over next week how the drafting process works for your papers, and the fact that you do have a rewrite opportunity in the class, and we'll talk about that. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But good luck working on those draft plans.